We on camera. We finna get a car today, bro. Huh? What you been doing, bro?
Trying to make it.
People say trying to make it. Why you ain't making it?
I'm making it.
What's wrong with it? We finna get this nice ass car today, you know what I'm saying? Waiting on this lady to come. But you know, get my check.
How y'all doing?
Good.
Y'all been helped already?
Everything. On my credit.
Also, you have to know that.
I asked if I could put down like $3,000, but she said it's only gonna make the car note go down $30. That was pointless.
You trying to put it back?
True. It's just gonna go to the nut of the insurance. I got to keep my money. I'm still gonna be crazy. My saleswoman. Hey.
Actually, if you want to, you can have a seat anywhere. It doesn't matter.
You know what?
Yeah, anywhere. You can sit at the tables, you can sit anywhere you want. That's the chicken stuff. Okay, hold that and wait until you start finance with you. I'm about to go gas up
I don't know what gas going to 93. What y'all do? I don't know if all of them take. You probably can't take 87 or something. I don't know. Let's see. This shit there. What's down? This bitch look good. What lens is it? Low one? Oh yeah, that bit pressure. We finna get a car today, guys. New whip. Jordan paying my car note though.
No
No insurance, low as I could.
bullshit. 480.
Ain't bad, no bull. Who you? I went with Progressive.
You're
Some
welcome.
inside is on Jackson Street. The place on Jackson.
I'll be right back. I'm about to go ahead and gas it up for you.
Alright. Go and gas the wheels up, then we riding. We back in the car again.
Quick.
No bull. It's been like a little month. Not too bad. Nah, they want to see it. I wonder how much this about 2 months in truck. It probably high as hell. No bull. We gonna be getting that truck up and running soon. I got my MC and that number the other day. We gonna be rolling in the truck. Them trucks gonna pay our car note, bro. Put somebody to work in that hole. The lady back, we finna sign these papers and shit. I got a check. How much? 33,543. Gonna get this shit done so I can drive off the lot, bro. Alright.
So, I didn't put the top notch, but I put the middle.
That's cool.
Okay, because it is an Audi.
Mhm.
So it's up to you. Put the middle or the top.
The top.
But I put the plus, not the.
Alright. We got the keys, man. These some nice little keys. How you auto start out of there? You got some on the app or some shit? I know you be doing that shit to Super.
I started.
Huh?
Yes.
You ever did that?
Shit, no.
Mark gonna start rapping soon, son. He gonna be on that bit.
No.
Take that nigga to the studio. Nigga got notes in his phone. Pull up the receipts. Let me see them lyrics. I know you got lyrics in your phone, bro. You be going through pain and shit. You be putting.
That come out, this yellow paint.
Yeah, Jordan, you go ahead.
You know.
Mark, what you in your car?
We got them new wheels, man. New wheels. 2023 starting out real good.
Automotive back to back and buku phones. Where your phone is?
Crazy.
You know my phone over there.
Orange.
They're really like 5%. 10 already.
Oh yeah, that's 10 already.
To the house now.
You gonna pose in front of you? You was smiling better than that when you got your little wheels on the red
God is good, you know. I got a new car. And I'm gonna finally enjoy it and actually pay a real note, which is crazy.
In your own name.
My name.
Praise God. He is good.
It's crazy, bro. I need that real. It's so quiet. We on Demon Flicks now. We got new wheels. I might upload a little video or something getting my little car, but you know how they put the little mystery over the car or whatever? That thing gonna be so clean. Hold on, we gotta get a thumbnail. These white boys looking at me like, how the fuck he get in this car? This nigga staring at me. This nigga.
No bullshit. Them niggas is staring.
So, here.
This is the check.
Okay. Yeah, you can still keep that.
All right.
Yeah, you'll give that to Mr. Either Mr. Curtis or Mr. Terry, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Mr. Curtis. So just don't say it too loud. So. And this is a we owe, you owe, which is nothing. So you'll just sign here and here. And this is a privacy act saying we don't share your information. We don't give it out. It's private. And you sign right here. Okay. And the next page. So this is a bailment agreement saying that you're responsible for the Audi and the payments on it, whatever you and Valix came up with, and everything that you told me is true to your knowledge. And just sign right there. Alrighty. And this is photos, images, reviews, and testimonies. Basically saying if you want to take a picture, post it on Facebook, say congratulations. You don't have to if you don't want to. That's completely up to you. Usually I don't do it, so you're good. You sign right here. And this is basically saying you accept the delivery of the vehicle today. And you'll just sign right here. And you don't need a reference sheet, so you're good. And the last but not least is basically a presidential delivery checklist saying that I do everything as a salesperson for you. And just sign right here. Okay. All right. So we're just still waiting on Mr. Curtis. So you're good to go after that.
Cool. I'm astonished at myself right now. I used to just sit there and be like, when I first got my first car, it was a Nissan Altima. I'm like, I don't want this shit. A couple days later, not even like a month of having that bitch, I'm going up to work to McDonald's. This bitch run out in front of me. Nigga smacked her ass and lost the whole car. So when you say you don't want a car, you never know how you might lose that bitch. I could have been dead. That shit was crazy. But I never said I ain't want this car again.
See the costing 31, please.
Then my next car. Y'all don't even want to know. Y'all don't even want to know at all.
Crazy.
You remember that?
That was crazy. That was crazy.
It was crazy. And the next car, what car I had after that? That was a black one.
That was crazy too, shit.
Yeah, that was crazy. We not gonna speak on that either. But now we got the Audi.
The bounce back though.
We back rolling, man. Rolling and patrolling. Gonna catch all the video shoots. If you need a video, hit my nigga Demon Flicks up, man. We mobile everywhere. We all 50 states, nigga. I just had that fee right. If y'all ain't got that fee, can't get in touch with us. Real shit. I tried to make that run, but I couldn't because I ain't the one shooting the video, so I couldn't say me. Real shit. Hey, I gotta go to work at 5 and these people still got me up here. It's way past 5. The phone ain't even ringing though. The phone ain't ringing not one time since 5 o'clock. Which is crazy to me. Oh, that be rang at 5:04. That's the last time that be rang. It's 5:31. Billboard is dead right now. Trpnvrclsd for me in motion though. You already know what we doing. Cause the Trpnvrclsd. I'm designing some new tees for y'all too. Them bitches gonna be hard. Pressure. I don't know what y'all gonna want though. I try to design some lean shirts. I'm gonna show you when we get in the car. You guys see that shit. Them bitches pressure though, but I just finished signing the papers. I'm waiting on this man to come so I can sign the rest of my papers. And we can drive off. Drive out of here, bro.
Little preview or something.
What else? Oh yeah, it'll be hard. Hey, them rhinestone hoodies gonna be so pressure, y'all ain't even ready. Like, I got some coming. They'll be done in like another week. But he said the rhinestone take forever because they literally rhinestone, placing them bitches one by one, which is crazy. I thought they just get like one of them heat transfer papers with the rhinestone on it and just press that shit on them. But they don't even do that, bro. They got this machine that like place each rhinestone how you want it to look on that bill one by one. That shit crazy. It's too much work, but they say it make the rhinestones not fall off, because if you just heat transfer them bitches, they'll fall off after some time. So you don't want that shit. And I ain't never gave y'all no bullshit ass jackets. I know some niggas sell jackets and they should be fading. They should be fading away and shit. You can't do that. Ain't none of my jackets ever faded. Cause guess what? Them bitches got good ass print, you feel me? They might get dirty and shit, but you know what I'm saying? They come with time. Bro wearing like a damn Yrs Old jacket. And that bitch still look good.
I was talking about that Mustang. Oh, that thing is second gear. Mr. Thomas?
Yes, sir. That's
You
big.
getting the Audi?
Yes,
Well,
sir.
come here with me.
All right.
How you doing? Set that right there. Get a few signatures from you.
All right.
Your pen. Sign right there. This states same thing. Sign top line. Tax domicile form. Sign there. Okay, this next form needs to sign Evan Michael Thomas.
All right. Whole name?
Whole name, Evan Michael Thomas. And let's go and get this one out of the way too. Evan Michael Thomas right there. That's to get your license plate in. Rest of them, regular signature. Sign right here. Statement of one the same. In case something comes back with the variation of your name. Odometer statement, sign there. Agreement to carry full coverage insurance there. And your buyer's order here and there, 2 places. All right, sir, you're done signing. Just don't get up yet. I got to receipt your check, print your temporary tag, and we're done. To your license plate and regular registration comes in. Go over to the heater's desk, give it that. She'll laminate it, put it on your car. Congratulations.
Thank you. I ain't never seen nobody in Italy
Look like this,
do some
right?
shit like this.
So, I don't know.
Young black nigga. They surprised out here. They don't want to come out?
No.
You need some help?
It's coming, but it's stuck.
She fucking and shit.
I mean, if you can get it off,
You can get it off, huh? Thank you. He say that Audi's clean.
Oh, thank you.
it's coming.
The sunroof.
The little lights on that
they
bitch.
got
The little lights
in
on that bitch.
They got lights in the doors and stuff. Okay, we lit. I love this photo.
Cut me off and got an answer. Don't know who to be. Like that, we gotta start back over. Hella days at Boston over. Niggas trying to cross me out. Niggas trying to fuck me over. Niggas trying to boss me out. Bitches trying to run me over. Crackers trying to crop me out. Lawyers keep saying that it's over, but the Lord got last say so. I'm out here looking for an old out with a brand new Draco. Before you